హాయ్ గైస్, నమస్కారం. నేను మీ మోక్షిత్. ఇందాకనే జస్ట్ ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ ఎగో నేను మీకు యాపిల్ వాచ్ సిరీస్ 3 పెట్టాను. ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి చెప్తాను. అదేంటంటే నెబులా బై యాంకర్ అనే ఒక క్యాప్సూల్, అంటే ద మోస్ట్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ పాకెట్ సినిమా అని అది మీకు చూపించబోతున్నాను. అదొక ప్రొజెక్టర్, అంటే మినీ ప్రొజెక్టర్. నార్మల్గా థియేటర్ లాంటిది కాదు, కానీ మినీ ప్రొజెక్టర్. అది ఎట్లుంటుంది, దానివల్ల ఎలా చూడొచ్చు, దాని అన్నీ మీకు ఈరోజు చూపించబోతున్నాను. లెట్స్ బిగిన్. This is Nebula by Anchor capsule. So here we can see scratch and win, check security code at Anchor, scratch and win అని ఉంది. కానీ చూద్దాం బాక్స్లో ఏముందో. So let's open it. So here you can see the picture of the projector and the contents. See here like this. What is it's maintained like Android 7.1, run streaming and media apps smoothly. So let's open it here. From this we can open it. So here we can see like this. So this is the remote given in this by Nebula company. So here next we'll keep it aside. So here you can see in this entertainment made portable. We'll open it. What will be in this, we'll see it. So I have opened it. So by this you can see here you can see the book which is given, owner's manual. It's an owner's manual. You can check and take it. So this is the user's manual, and English, many languages are there. So this is owner's manual, where if you didn't understand anything, you can check in this and you can control it. So this is the remote and the kept in this, and the remote. So you can see here I have kept in this. So is there anything in this? I will check it. So it is not, nothing is there. So this is given a cloth to clean it. So I have kept in it. So this is an USB cable. And this micro USB. We can keep this. We can keep pen drives. And anything in it, and we can watch movies. So this is happy given in it. Not happy or not happy, it is given in it. If you happy, keep like. If not happy, you can dislike. If both, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Now let's go to the mini projector. Now we'll go to a mini projector. What means? So I'm taking it out. So this is the mini projector Nebula, and we can see here HDMI, and means we can keep the cable connectivity to this, and we can see TV channels, and it is input. It is a charging input. It is a charger input. So I am keeping it at side. So now I'm taking, and this is the box given in it, Now I will show you what is given in this. Let us see. So దీంట్లో కేబుల్ ఉంది. కేబుల్ ఉంది. ఈ కేబుల్ అనేది అవుట్పుట్, ఇదే ఇన్పుట్ది. దీనికి అడాప్టర్ కనెక్ట్ చేసుకొని మనం ఛార్జింగ్ నాకు తెలిసి మార్నింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ యూజ్ చేసి స్లీప్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఛార్జింగ్ పెడితే అసలు ఈజీగా అయిపోతుంది మనకి. అది ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఎంటీ. సో మెయిన్గా దీంట్లో వచ్చేది రిమోట్, కేబుల్ అండ్ ది యూఎస్బి అండ్ ది రిమోట్. మెయిన్గా 3 కంటెంట్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఒకటేమో నెబులా ప్రొజెక్టర్, ఇంకోటి నెబులా రిమోట్, ఇంకోటి కేబుల్. సో అండ్ ది ఓనర్స్ మాన్యువల్. ఇంకోటి ఇది ఏంటంటే నార్మల్గా ఇది కింద పడకుండా దానికి ఒక ఇచ్చారు. సో లెట్స్ సీ దిస్. guys, now we can observe the capsule where we can see is sleek, compact, portable, remarkable picture, incredible 360 degrees sound, and total connectivity. Run the latest apps, extended playtime. So these are the contents in the box, and you can see, you can observe backside of the box where they gave the features of it. They gave the features of it. So like this, you can see this picture like this, same like TV. So I got it black color, I got a black color. So this is the cost of 33,999, but I got in the offer. So let's watch how the projector works, guys. Now I will show you how the projector works, for what are the contents, what are the features are there in. Guys, now I will on it, you can watch it, guys. I am keeping it to the wall. I'm keeping it to the wall, so you can watch it. I'm owning it, guys. You can see it, guys. See, guys, the nebula, you can see it. It is a great, it gives a nice sound and beautiful, brightness, and it's beautiful too. I am using from 1 month. I'm using from 1 month, guys. If it is better than TV, I think so, because we can watch anything in this. We can watch, it is compatible with Prime, Netflix. You can see it, here. You can see it here, and this is the clarity here. And the charging percentage is 72%. The charging percentage is 72%. So guys, you can observe it. I'm taking the remote. So backside, there will be a sensor for the remote, and you can see here I'm going through. So it's Amazon, and it's YouTube, it's Netflix, and it's App Store. So you can see in App Store, which are available, and Disney. So you can, this is the HDMI. You can connect the cable network, and you can watch the serials and TV, movies in it, and file manager and app manager. You can check, and you can, I think so. I think the Nebula will entertain you very much. I think the Nebula will entertain you very much. I See, guys, this is the network connection. You can connect the Wi-Fi, and there is a screen mirroring, it, to it, and it's beautiful. So guys, this is the Nebula connectivity. It's network, Bluetooth, projector, app manager, and about and upgrade, Nebula Connect, and general. So if we go to general, so language, date and time, keypad, tone, automatic, sleep interval, background, clean eye, screen mirroring. And if you go to screen mirroring, so if you go to screen mirroring, there will be an iOS and Android. There will be an iOS and Android. If you go to iOS, an AirPlay will be playing from your phone with sound and video. So if you go to an Android, Microcast, I think so, open the screencast, and you can easily connect to it. There is no, within seconds you can connect it. Within seconds you can connect to it. It will, I think it will come a big screen like it. I think it comes from big screen. So you can watch it here. This is my room. I'm casting from my room. So you can see here, guys. See, guys, you can see here. So if you, it is better, guys, I think so. No, if your budget is good, you can take it. If your budget is there, you can take it, and it's good. So I'm going back, guys. I'm offing it. So if you want to off, like the button, you can see here, it's power off. Thank you, guys. It's power off. And if you like it, please share, subscribe, or if you not, dislike. Thank you, guys, very much. మీ అందరికీ ఈ వీడియో నచ్చిందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీకోసమే నా దగ్గర ఇలా నాకు ఇంకా ఐడియా రాలేదు. ఐడియా వచ్చింది కాబట్టి నేను ఇది పెట్టాను. సో మీకు నచ్చితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్. ఇఫ్ నచ్చపోయినా చూడండి, నచ్చినా చూడండి, నాకేం. థ్యాంక్ యూ guys for watching it. If you like it, please subscribe guys.